Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Google Forms on your phone and signing into the account you'll use for responses. Tap the plus to create a new form, then pick a template or a blank form so you don't lose time. Set a clear title and short description to orient respondents. This helps later when sorting results. Once done, add your first question using the question type menu, because choosing the right type now saves editing later. You'll add questions one at a time, selecting short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, or file upload as needed. Make sure to use response validation for numbers, emails, or length so answers match your needs. Once done with several questions, insert sections to control flow or conditional branching so respondents only see relevant items. Also configure form settings to collect emails, require sign-in, or allow editing after submit. These choices affect response integrity and privacy. You'll finish by tapping send to share the form link, email it, or copy the shortened URL for quick distribution. Make sure to set link access permissions so respondents don't get blocked. Change from limited to anyone with link if needed. Monitor the Responses tab on your phone or open results in Google Sheets for deeper analysis. If something goes wrong, try refreshing the app, confirm account permissions, or temporarily disable one response, limits to test functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.